Hello, and welcome to Simple Science. What's one thing that comes to mind when you think of Christmas? Mine happens to be snow. I love snow, but we don't really get much of it here, so today's experiment is going to be all about making snow. There are two different methods to making your snow. The first one is going to be using your baking soda, some conditioner, making sure it's white though, a measuring cup, and just an empty bowl or container. So your first step is going to be adding in 3 cups of baking soda into your container. Then you're going to take about half a cup of your conditioner. Once it's all in there, you're going to go ahead and mix it with your hands. You'll know your snow is done when you can mold it into a snowball. How cool is that? A snowball that doesn't melt? Now you can experiment and have fun with your snow. Check out my never melting snowman. Isn't he cute? Now I'm going to show you method number 2. What you're going to need are some diapers, some scissors, an empty container or a cup, and some water. Now the first thing you're going to do is take your diaper, open it up, and cut off the edges of your diaper because you only need the middle part. Now, what you're going to do is try to peel back the layers and try to find the layer that has all of this crystal-like material. That's what you're going to use to make your snow. So just peel it and then try to rub it off into your container. Once you've gotten all of your absorbent crystals into your bowl, then you're just going to add a little bit of water, and to make it more of a wintry effect, make sure the water is cold. Then you can just watch your snow form. Give it a little mix with your finger, that way all of the water is absorbed and it's fluffy. Now this is just with 1 diaper, but depending on how much snow you want, you can do more diapers. And there are your 2 methods to creating your own winter wonderland. One of them is a little bit more moldable, and the other one's a bit more fluffy. I hope you enjoyed making your own DIY snow, and we'll see you next time. Happy holidays!